Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Friday, but want to definitely get things updated here. And before I go any further, I just want to note that, really the best way to summarize this chart is it depends. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, or you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture perspective, the grand scheme of everything, then yeah, there's no doubt about it. This has been a pretty deep pullback. But that's only 2 days. When you look at multiple days, the bulls still have an opportunity to build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are built, with those higher bases. I'm going to be talking about things from a long-term perspective, so if I'm calling something bullish and you think I sound crazy, my guess would be you had a totally different perspective going into the trade, than what I'm talking about from the presentation standpoint. And the easiest way to really kind of symbolize that, yes, the bulls are still in charge from the big picture perspective, is all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, if you watch the past videos I've done, hopefully you remember me talking about this one. And as I've said in those videos, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then as far as I'm concerned, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. And really the easiest way to kind of symbolize this, let me scrunch up the chart here a little bit just to give a little bit more perspective. There we go. Is let's say the price continues to kind of do what it's been doing right around this purple line, which so far so good. The price is doing a good job of holding. But let's say that continues. The price kind of just bounces around here and then eventually heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Then you'd have a set of lows right here. Then you'd have this set of lows right here. Then you'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, then again, from the big picture perspective, the stair steps are still going in the upwards direction. Again, I fully realize if you bought right there as a day trader and you bought right there as a day trader, you could care less about these long-term stair steps. But that's why I'm saying that from the big picture perspective, sure, the past couple of days have pulled back some, but the bulls are still in control because they still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. What about areas of resistance on any sort of bounce? I'm just going to focus on one at this point because in my mind, the top priority is not really breaking levels of resistance. It's more so stabilizing and building a higher base. But that level is going to be right there at 52 cents. So on any sort of, movement to the upside, 52 cents, that first hurdle that the bulls are going to need to get back up above. All in all, though, like I said, bulls are still in control. We'll see if they can build a higher base or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.